Hi, my name is Roshan Rao, Advisory Solution Architect with ServiceNow. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a multi-party e-signature solution using Flow Designer, Integration Hub, and DocuSign, which shows how applications can be quickly built on the platform using its low-code and no-code capabilities. Every department in an enterprise has its own system of record that is critical in supporting business functions for that department. These systems often work in silos and contain valuable data that is necessary to provide great experiences to employees and customers. ServiceNow is a platform of platform that connects these siloed systems and provides great experiences. It does that by providing a single platform, single data model, and a single cloud-native architecture that provides foundational capabilities such as Flow Designer, Integration Hub, Service Catalog, and developer tools to build applications using these capabilities. Out-of-the-box workflows are provided for IT, employee, and customer workflows. These solutions can be extended or new solutions can be built using the App Engine. Great 24/7 experiences are provided through web, mobile, and conversational user interfaces. The ServiceNow Integration Hub component contains multiple spokes that allow you to quickly integrate with popular business applications. Codeless connectors are available for making these integrations that can be quickly assembled into flows. Store spokes are discoverable directly in Integration Hub, and new spokes are published monthly, which means you can receive new connectors out of band without requiring a platform upgrade. Working with the system integration partners, I noticed that there's a need to clarify the eSignature capabilities of the Now platform as it relates to building multi-party digital signature forms that follow the requester-fulfiller construct in service management. In the ideal world, work intake can simply be done through rich user interfaces and managed on the platform through a task-based flow. However, for customers in regulated markets such as the US federal government, organizational processes are usually run by mandates that require specific government forms to be used. In this article, I will demonstrate a sample solution for a multi-section form requiring e-signature using DocuSign. The US Federal Form DD 2875 is a commonly required form for system access management in the Department of Defense and is being used for our demo solution. The form is used to request new access, modifications, and termination of access. It is a multi-section form which is signed by multiple parties. There are at least 5 people needed to complete the form, each required to fill in specific sections. Some roles in completing an access request are the requester, who is the subject of the request and requesting access or access changes, the supervisor, who reviews the request and endorses it with a justification, the security manager validates that the requester has a background check on file and/or the appropriate clearance. An IT administrator actually makes the modifications to system access controls for the request, and finally an auditor that does a quality check on the request. Each of the above participants are in a flow where mostly linear tasks result in completion of form sections and signatures for completed sections. The service catalog on the Now platform provides a predefined construct for accepting requests and fulfilling them. There is an in-platform e-signature feature that provides capabilities for platform users to sign documents. However, the in-platform feature is limited in that it does not allow for multiple participants to incrementally complete and sign forms digitally. The Now platform provides integrations to third-party digital signature solutions such as DocuSign and Adobe Sign that support solutions for workflows similar to the DD 2875. The integrations are available as spokes for the Integration Hub capability and can be connected to the service management construct using flows built using Flow Designer. Now let's see what a sample DD 2875 implementation using DocuSign templates looks like. I'm currently signed on as a requester on the service portal and can access the service catalog from here. In the service catalog, a new catalog item for system authorization access request has been added. At this point, it is unnecessary to have the requester provide a lot of data on this form, because most of the data will be provided as a part of the signing process from DocuSign. All we need is the request to come into the system. Once a request has been submitted, a request number is generated, which can be used for tracking. As a service desk user, I can see the new request has come into the system. Allowing requests to come in as so allows you to enforce task SLAs and also provide a level of reporting to improve the handling of these access requests. A new catalog task has been added that allows the service desk person to assign participants in the document signing flow. Here we need to assign a supervisor, security manager, IT admin, and auditor. Once the catalog task to assign the signers to this request has been completed, the state of the requested item changes to work in progress, and a reference is stored to the DocuSign envelope that was used to send the signing request. An email is sent out to the requester with a link to complete the document in DocuSign. As a requester, I can now complete the relevant section in the DocuSign template. The form can also be pre-filled from data available in the ServiceNow system. As an example, the user ID field here has been pre-populated using the user record for John Doe in the ServiceNow system. Fields marked in red are mandatory fields, and the mandatory fields and their attributes can be managed when a template is created in DocuSign. Once the person making the access request has completed his or her section in the DocuSign document, DocuSign will send out the document to the other recipients in the signature flow, to include the supervisor, security manager, IT administrator, and auditor. We will fast forward through the data entry for these roles. Once the final requester has signed the document in DocuSign, DocuSign updates the envelope status in ServiceNow. When this is complete, it satisfies the wait condition for the flow in ServiceNow. The signed document is then attached to the requested item record and can be stored for audit. Here is the fully signed document available in the ServiceNow system. It is also important to note that the flow can be built where it can pull data from the signed document back into ServiceNow. This data can then be used for future purposes or to support automation on the Now platform. As an example here, the mailing address and the justification fields have been pulled from the signed document back into ServiceNow as variables. That completes my demonstration of the application. In closing, the Now platform is a platform of platforms that can be used to make complex workflows across multiple departments and people. In the DD2875 example, the normal paper-based flow can be time-consuming as requests are made across multiple locations. The Now platform addresses this problem by allowing our customers to build low-code solutions that make work flow.